Kylie Jenner, a name synonymous with glamour, epitomizes a lifestyle that many can only dream of. Kylie's rise to fame began on the hit reality show Keeping Up with the Kardashians, which provided a platform for her to launch a highly successful cosmetic empire. Kylie's life is a whirlwind of luxury, from her extravagant homes that feature amenities akin to high-end resorts, to her penchant for designer fashion and accessories. In today's video, I am going to show you the luxurious lifestyle of Kylie Jenner. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 3. Fashion Fiesta. Kylie Jenner, the beauty and mogul extraordinaire, reigns supreme in the realm of high fashion. Her wardrobe is a playground for the rich and fabulous, a dazzling carousel of couture and cool. Think custom-made Balmain gowns that hug her curves like liquid gold, dripping with sequins and delicate embroidery. Then there's the casual yet chic side, where off-white streetwear with its graphic tees and statement sneakers takes center stage. Vintage Jean Paul Gaultier corsets whisper tales of old Hollywood glamour, while neon green Balenciaga hoodies scream modern audacity. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, a Birkin bonanza that would make even the most seasoned luxury collector gasp. Each Birkin, a coveted trophy in its own right, boasts exotic leathers and audacious pops of color, like a Hermes rainbow waiting to be unleashed. Kylie's fashion is more than just trends and labels. It's a vibrant tapestry woven with confidence and attitude. She doesn't shy away from bold choices, whether it's a head-turning ensemble for a red carpet gala or an effortlessly cool street style look. Number 2. Wheels of Wonder. Buckle up, because Kylie Jenner's garage is about to take you on a high-octane ride through the world's most desirable automobiles. Picture sleek Bugattis, their curves catching the light like chrome dreams, purring with a promise of exhilarating speed. Then there are the Ferraris, Italian stallions prancing with fiery red paint jobs and the throaty roar of unleashed horsepower. But Kylie's fleet doesn't just crave the open road, it indulges in the lap of luxury too. Rolls-Royces, the undisputed kings of comfort, swathe her in plush interiors and chauffeur her in silent, cloud-like serenity. And for those days when opulence takes the wheel, a Mercedes-Maybach awaits, its gleaming carriage fit for a modern-day queen. But Kylie's love affair with speed transcends mere horsepower. When the need for escape beckons, her personal jet, aptly named Kylie Air, transforms into a private palace in the sky. Soaring above the clouds, it whisks her away to far-flung corners of the globe, leaving a trail of contrails and envy in its wake. Number 1. Living the lavish life. Kylie Jenner's life paints a picture of a modern-day Marie Antoinette, but with a billion-dollar empire built on her own hustle. Her Hidden Hills mansion, a glass and steel behemoth perched atop a hill, sprawls across 13,600 square feet, housing everything from a home theater fit for a Hollywood premiere to a bowling alley for playful nights with friends. But amidst the opulent interiors and endless amenities, one gets a glimpse of Kylie's playful spirit. A heart-shaped swimming pool shimmers under the California sun, a giant inflatable slide beckoning for carefree splashes. Inside, a pink velvet swing hangs from the ceiling, inviting impromptu moments of pure joy. Then there's her tropical escape in Turks and Caicos, a beachfront paradise where turquoise waters lap against pristine sands. Imagine infinity pools reflecting the endless sky, a private dock leading to adventures on turquoise waters, and a hammock strung between swaying palm trees for lazy afternoons lulled by the ocean's whispers. Kylie's lavish life isn't just about material possessions, it's about experiences curated with a keen eye for luxury and a playful spirit. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more future updates. Thanks for watching.